Hi, I'm Dr. Lian Mack. I'm a board-certified dermatologist practicing in New York City. What does it mean to illuminate what's inside? When you hear that, what do you picture? How does that make you feel? This is the question that iconic beauty brand Revlon posed to its consumers with Revlon's Illuminance Foundation. When I think of the word Illuminance, I think of someone that is glowing with happiness, someone that really exudes confidence. They have deeply hydrated skin. It looks supple. This product is a skin-caring foundation loaded with 5% squalane and hyaluronic acid to deeply moisturize the skin. Plus, it also has antioxidant botanicals that help to reduce the signs of aging, in addition to providing instant and long-term skin benefits. This product provides advanced skincare and a foundation in one. So you're getting the benefits of having antioxidants, hydration with hyaluronic acid, and squalane, in addition to medium coverage. For someone like me who's always on the go, it's nice to just be able to do one product as opposed to layering 5 different products. Now let's do a deep dive. Here are some questions from the audience. Squalane is a molecule derived from squalene. This molecule has been getting a lot of buzz lately because of its hydrating effects and the moisturizing effect that it has on our topmost layer of the skin, or stratum corneum. Hyaluronic acid is a sugar molecule that's found throughout the body. In the skin more specifically, it sits in the dermal layer. It is a humectant, meaning that it pulls water to the skin, making it more hydrated. When the skin is more hydrated, it looks more supple. It has less lines and fine wrinkles. Hyaluronic acid can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water. Antioxidants, as the name implies, inhibit oxidation. When molecules in the skin oxidize, it creates free radicals. Free radicals are responsible for premature signs of aging, like fine lines and wrinkles, dark spots, and sagging. Elasticity is your skin's ability to essentially snap back. So if you pull at your skin or tug at your skin, it's the time that it takes to return to its original position. The natural aging process causes us to lose elastin in the skin as well as collagen. I'm super excited to see all the trends in beauty in 2023. But I think that this trend of investing in your skin and your skin's health will continue. And I'm excited to see each and every one of you continue to reveal your own illuminance.